Hello everyone, welcome back to Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for effective business IT management and what's going on in the world of tech. Today, we're going to talk about ethical hacking. Yes, this is a real thing you might have even heard of, but you don't know what it is, but I'll tell you about it. You've probably heard about ethical hacking from movies or YouTube channels, around the web, but do you really know what it is? And why it's a crucial element in the world of cybersecurity? So let's first understand what ethical hacking really means. What is ethical hacking? So I'm going to tell you. In a world filled with digital threats, ethical hacking stands as a powerful shield. Contrary to common misconceptions, ethical hacking is not a villainous practice. It's also known as pen testing, penetration testing, and it's all about authorized individuals known as ethical hackers working diligently to identify and rectify vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. These vulnerabilities are potential entry points for malicious hackers. Ethical hacking is the hero that comes into play when there's a threat to system security, like in cases of password leaks, data breaches, other conventional hacking. These ethical hackers, under the authority of concerned company leaders, protect us from ill-intentioned hackers and their malicious activities. Let's understand why ethical hacking is so vital in today's digital age. It's 2023, most companies have a digital presence, and with digitalization, they have to ensure the security and privacy of their data. Ethical hacking is used extensively to test, manage, and design security systems, finding and correcting vulnerabilities. It's a win-win situation with bug bounty programs where hackers discover and report technical bugs, helping companies strengthen their security before a bad actor can intervene. Some of them make hundreds of thousands a year doing this. Ethical hacking safeguards critical data from their adversaries, reducing the risk of blackmail and data leak. National and state-funded organizations hire ethical hackers to prevent cyber terrorism and terrorist attacks. Ethical hackers think like hackers with malicious intent, but they're identifying these potential entry points and vulnerabilities to report back to how you can secure them. They provide security assistance to various domains, including software development, risk management, quality assurance testing, and network defense. And they also will develop these testing tools and methodologies to prevent similar security breaches in the future. They're essential for businesses dealing with information products, applications, and websites offering an unparalleled level of additional security. Now let's talk about the different ways ethical hackers can get into security systems and networks. So first we got like your basic web application hacking. This involves testing a computer system or network to find security vulnerabilities that could be exploited. It can be done manually or automatically. System hacking involves gaining access to networks, steal data, requiring careful reviews of server or computer network security. Web server hacking explores weaknesses in web servers, potentially leading to data theft, particularly via sniffing attacks. Wireless network hacking targets wireless networks, right? Whichever are often vulnerable to hackers and radio wave interception. There are three primary types of hackers, right? There's the black hat, bad guys, they aim for financial gain and to engage activities that cause financial losses to individuals or organizations. White hat hackers are the true ethical hackers. They work with permission from systems owners to secure computer systems and networks. And then there are the gray hat hackers, which fall somewhere in between, as the name would imply, focusing on financial gain while remaining ambiguous in their ethics. HackerOne, an ethical bug bounty hacking community, has awarded a staggering $300 million to ethical hackers and researchers involved in resisting cyber attacks. This program connects organizations with a community of ethical hackers who identify and report bugs in exchange for rewards. These ethical hackers play a vital role in discovering vulnerabilities, applying continuous assessment, and enhancing security processes. Capitalism at work, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine a scenario where a hacker finds a weakness in a company's software, but instead of exploiting it, they report it to the organization. In return, they receive a well-deserved reward. This is the essence of the bug bounty program, where ethical hackers are motivated to proactively find and fix flaws before malicious actors can exploit them. HackerOne's customer base has been expanding their use of hackers beyond traditional bug bounties, with pen testing engagements increasing by 54%. This proactive approach to cybersecurity is crucial, as it helps organizations stay one step ahead of cyber threats. Ethical hacking, once misunderstood, is now gaining recognition for its invaluable role in safeguarding digital assets. As the world becomes more digital, the demand for ethical hackers will continue to rise, offering new career opportunities for those interested in this field. Ethical hacking is a proactive approach to securing data, helping organizations protect their reputation and avoid financial losses. It ensures that clients and customers can trust an organization to keep their data secure. Hey, I'd love to get your thoughts on ethical hacking. Have you ever considered becoming one or hiring one? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And remember, the world of ethical hacking is ever evolving. It's a sign that we need to stay on top of our own cybersecurity efforts. Please reach out if you have any questions and need help in making sure that your network is secured via the Calendly link in the show notes. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tech news like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.